Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how video games are becoming more and more decentralized and how that's going to have massive implications for the video game industry. Decentralization will fundamentally change the economics of video games, but I don't want to waste any more time talking about it. It's just easier to show you guys. So let's jump into a video game called Decentraland. Alright, so this game is called Decentraland. You just need to go to decentraland.org and it brings you to the login screen. And from here, all you have to do is just click get started. And you can either log in as a guest or you can log in with your MetaMask. In this game, you can start at the Genesis block, which is where everyone spawns in for the first time. From here, you can join any of the events that are happening around the world. The in-game currency is called mana, which is also a cryptocurrency you can buy and sell on any of the major crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Gemini. Because the game uses cryptocurrency, this means that you can gamble in-game like you would at a virtual casino. So right now I'm playing with the free currency that they just give you so you can try out how it works. But if I were using Ethereum, Mana, or any of the stable coins, then I would be able to make money on all of the hands that I win. And ultimately, if blockchains become mainstream, then we can see this integrating more and more with virtual reality so that you can actually sit down at one of these blackjack tables and play as if you were there. You can also build NFT galleries. So they're basically like museums or art galleries, and you can display all of your artwork on the walls in any way that you want. And if you actually click on any of them, it'll link you to where you can buy the NFT on the webpage. And on this webpage, it'll give you a little bit information on the NFT and its history of who bought it and where it came from and all the previous owners. And if you own a business, you can also advertise in Decentraland by building a virtual headquarters or even posting a web banner on a virtual billboard. In Decentraland, you can buy parcels of land using mana. And as an owner of the land, you can have full creative freedom over it. Any revenue that gets generated by the experiences you create goes straight into your crypto wallet. Okay, so let's talk about how all of this works. Decentraland is hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. If you don't know what that means, the gist of it is that if you create a game on the Ethereum blockchain, then that game automatically becomes decentralized. So any application on the Ethereum blockchain becomes a decentralized app, or a DApp. This gives you not only the benefits of being decentralized, but now you can plug into the entire crypto economy. So what does that mean? Well, you know how you have games like World of Warcraft or League of Legends or even Fortnite? Each of those games has a company that develops the game. The basic business model that they use is they give you the game for free, and then they extract all of the value by selling you skins and, costumes and in-game items. And that's how all of these companies generate billions of dollars of revenue. But in a decentralized game, it works a little differently. Anyone can buy any of the parcels of land within the game using cryptocurrency, and then they can sell it to someone else. They can either flip the land like a virtual real estate agent, or they can even rent out the land. So let's say I bought a prime piece of property near one of the popular areas in the game. And then I can use that land, even though I'm not building anything on it, I can use that land and rent it out to someone else who maybe he decides to build a casino on top. So if that person is building a casino on top of my land, I can collect some sort of fee from that person and I'll get rental income. And that income is not just virtual in-game currency, it's actual cryptocurrency that has real-world value. Another thing you can do in Decentraland is create virtual items. So if you're a game developer or even a graphic designer, you can create new items in the game and they'll be minted as NFTs. And if you look at the color coding that they have in the game, every single NFT is coded according to its rarity. And if you play World of Warcraft or any of these RPG games, then you'll be very familiar with these color codes. Another key difference between how World of Warcraft and Fortnite operate is that World of Warcraft has its parent company, Blizzard, that maintains all of the servers and, is responsible for the entire game. Just like with Fortnite, they have Epic Games to take care of the entire game and all the servers and everything that is involved with the game. It's their property. Since a decentralized game or app can't have a single entity that owns the entire thing, there's a new system of governance called a Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO for short. DAOs are a critical part of the infrastructure. So you know how we have the Constitution, we have a legal framework, we have a finance system. They all have their own rules. And just like that, a DAO has a certain set of rules that governs how the entire decentralized network will work. Let's take an example to make this really concrete. If you had World of Warcraft that's owned by Blizzard, Blizzard is responsible for everything that happens within the game. If you were to make World of Warcraft a completely decentralized system, then it would be run by a DAO, and then that DAO would have Blizzard as one of its technology vendors that's in charge of developing the game. And if Blizzard is not doing a good job of developing the game, then the DAO can switch to a different technology vendor and basically a different game developer and have them develop the game in a way that is in line with what the community wants. And the DAO is run by all of the community members within the game. So a DAO functions in the same way that a public company does, where the public company is beholden to their shareholders. A DAO has to listen to what their community members are voting on. So Decentraland is different from being just another game. It's owned by the players. As blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies develop, we'll see more and more of these decentralized apps and games. And this is going to change the entire way that we actually do business and how we create value in the world. As we transition more and more to an information age, we're going to see a lot less people working in physical and manual labor jobs. And that's why when the robots come, no one's going to care because they're doing jobs that people don't want to do anyways. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited to see how Decentraland develops and what new kind of games we'll see coming up in the next few years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.